Hi my friend, today I'm gonna show you how to redesign the sleeves on the dress. For example, I have here a velvet dress and with this kind of sleeves. So the sleeves are too big. So what, instead of like taking in and cut it or taking it on the side, I'm gonna redesign into a simple bow. So first what I'm gonna do is pin together exactly how much I have to take in, for example. And then I'll take a thread and a needle, same color, and I will start from inside so I can hide the knot. Just like that. And now I'm gonna go through the fabric first, and we're gonna start to do the running stitch, not too small, just like a medium size. Alright, so we're coming up, as you see, up. Now turn it to the back side, and I'm gonna push a little bit lining because we don't want the lining to see, and then I will do the opposite running stitch. So you see the steps are between the first steps we already did. And now we try to pull tight, not too hard so you don't want to rip the thread. And now I will wrap it twice around just to make sure it stays in place. Now I'm gonna secure the thread just like that. Okay, and now we have to mark right the center or the middle of the strap. And now open, and we'll take same needle, we don't cut it, and make sure the edges will be folded inside. So we start a quarter from the edge, and we do same running stitch, and we finish a quarter before the other edge. And now same thing, we're gonna pull, and I'm gonna tie the thread to make sure it's close to the first layer. And I'm gonna wrap one more time to make sure it stays tight. Make sure the bow is equal on each side. And now we're gonna just do 2 times knot. And now we take same needle and pull the needle all the way to the other side in the middle of the bow. And you will see why. We take a decorative button, silver color, and then we're gonna sew this button right in the middle of the bow. Okay, so our bow is almost done, so we're gonna tie the thread twice to make sure it's secure, and now our strap is ready. I hope you like my video, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more and leave a comment if you have any question. Thank you.